Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can change the auto download settings in Kik Messenger. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open the Kik Messenger app on your phone. After you do so, what you need to do is click on the top right hand corner, which is your profile option. So after you click it, you can scroll it down and you can see the chat settings. Go ahead and tap on chat settings. And then you can see the auto download videos option. Go ahead and tap on auto downloads and you can see there are three options over here to change the auto download videos. The first one is over Wi-Fi only. The second one is over Wi-Fi and cellular. So if you have a lot of data and you are willing to spend it, you can choose the Wi-Fi and cellular, or else you can see the never option. So if others send you a video, if it is selected on Wi-Fi, it will automatically be downloaded, and whereas if it is selected on Wi-Fi and cellular, now it will be downloaded with your cellular data as well. And if you never want to download videos automatically, just go ahead and set on never. This way you can easily change the auto download settings in Kik. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.